Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Kotlin with Compose. And in today's episode, we are doing a different thing, building an app with Compose and Kotlin. In this episode, we are talking about Android latest features and updates. So, in this video, I will be covering all the Android latest features and updates that the Android has brought. And every month, I'm going to make a video dedicated to Android new features and updates. So stay tuned to this channel for latest Android news and updates. So as you can see, I'm on the official Android side, and what's new? Check out the latest Android features. Elevate your everyday with more ways to express yourself, more tools to make your photo shine, and more shortcuts to control your smart home. So that's a pretty lots of updates and features in the Android. So let's see. So there is a new features in Google Messages, that is Google Meet or Google Chat. Probably it also should work on those. So no more typos. Now you can edit sent messages. So if you have made mistakes in the Google Messages, then now you can edit the messages within 15 minutes of the sent message. And similarly, another update is circle to search. So you can easily now translate your text, video, or images to your desired language. So now you can instantly translate an image, video, or text. Just long press the home button or navigation bar and then tap the translate button. So you don't have to screenshot anymore, and you don't have to keep those unnecessary screen files in your folder, which is pretty good by Android. So that's a very cool feature, I believe. And there is another update on Google Photos. So give the perfect moment a perfect finish. That's great. Reimagine your photo with AI editing tools like Magic Eraser, Photo on Blur, Portrait Light, and the latest Gen AI tool Magic Editor. Now available to more Android users. So I don't think it's available for everyone. So those who have these features, you can comment below in the comment sections if you have these features, and if you don't have this feature, you can also comment below. And similarly, another update is Find My Device. So they have added some features in Find My Device. So now you can find your belongings even if they are offline. So even the offline you can find your device. So that's a pretty cool update. Find My Device helps you locate your belongings like key with a tracker tag and devices quickly and safely, even if they are offline or far away. So if they are not connected to any network or Wi-Fi, and even they are far from you, then even you can find your device by triggering the tracker. And that's the major updates from Android. And there are other updates like cross device sharing. Now you can easily share your hotspot even when you are on a call. So you can share your data network even when you are having or receiving a call. So that's a pretty good feature. And another is you can remix your favorite emojis on Google Keyboard now. So you can mix, maybe it's currently showing 2, or you can even mix 2 or more emojis and create your own personalized emojis. That's pretty good features. And another is on Google Home. It's a control smart device right from your home screen. So from your home screen you can control your appliances like you can control your bulb, you can control your doorbell, you can control your kitchen lights, and so on. So another update is on Wear OS. So now you can easily control your favorite smart home devices similarly to the Google Home updates that's available in the Wear OS 2. You can control your light, AC, speaker with your Wear OS. And more updates on Wear OS. You can now pay from your Wear OS. So that's very good update. You can just pay from your wallets, and you don't have to come up with your phone, or you don't have to just open your phone and do all kind of hassles. You just can do it with your Wear OS. So that's very good update. And another is digital card, so maybe it's for EV, so you can easily lock, unlock, and even start your car from your device. Yes, and that's pretty cool. And another is circle to search, which we previously talked about. You can search, translate, and even more, you can create your own Android board, so that's pretty cool features. Another, you can now create your own bots in Android, and now you can discover how Android keeps you connected, so you can now connect with the devices that you have in your surrounding, like you can control your earbud, tablet, watch, smart home, car, and even more, so you can stay connected from your just one device. So that's pretty good feature. And phones ready for action, so experience these new features and updates on the latest Android device. So guys, if your devices have these updates on your phone, then please do let me know in the comment section that you do have these features available, and if you don't, then also comment down in the sections with your Android versions. And if you are watching this video till now, then thanks for watching, and if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to this channel. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and till next video, happy coding.